Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 9X Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the phone. Now before we get started, we will need this SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can find it in there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have one of the two, I'm going to pop out the tray, which is at the top of the phone, so right over here as you can see. Push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray will pop out. So from here we can place our SIM and SD card. Now you can also use two different SIM cards if you plan to do so. Just place the SIM card on the spot where you would put an SD card, as you can see right here. But I'm using one of each, so I'm going to move this one over and place my SD card right over here. So once they're both in and laying flush with the tray, carefully slide it back into the device, make sure that they don't pop out. And from here, there we go. It automatically detects the SIM card and SD card, and also automatically does the most annoying, stupid thing that you could ever have imagined, which is changing the language. So if you have changed the language and had it set to whatever other language, yeah, that language is now completely removed and substituted for the language of the SD card. Now, because I genuinely despise this feature, I'm going to also show you how to change it on top of this, because I understand not everybody will be living in, for instance, a country and that they speak the language from, but they might actually have the SIM card from there. So get started, pull down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon right over here. And from there, slide all the way down to System, which is the last option. And then we want to choose language, which is fourth option, so right over here, as you can see. And then right at the top we have language and region, so let's tap on the first option, and then you'll have the two blue text. So the first one will be the language that it is right now selected to, and then below that is the option to add a language. Now previously we would have English here, but that is completely removed. So let's tap on add language and find our language. Go English. Now it will bring up this pop-up. So to change the language, you want to tap on the right side. This is the change button, and this will automatically change it. And this is normally how it should look like, where you have two languages, old one below, new one above that is being used right now. But HUAWEI and Honor is so amazing that they just completely removed the language. So yeah, now that we combated this stupidity, we can actually begin to use our phone again. Now, this was basically how you would insert a SIM card, but it also changed into changing the language, because that's just kind of what the insert a SIM card does here. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.